when the matter came to light, then an organized group of people have sent away some of these non-citizens away and brought in those persons who are locals to ensure and project as if injustice has been done to poor people. This means a lot of unseen hands are organizing this whole demographic change. So our demand, our main demand is that Bangalore has undergone a huge demographic change, and people under the garb of Bengali Muslims as well as Bangladeshis have made intrusions inside Bangalore city and occupying valuable revenue land and BDA land as well as corporation land. A lot of organized group of people are supporting this demographic change and bringing them into the mainstream. So the committee has put forth that once for all an NIA inquiry, because NIA can take up investigation only if a case has been registered. Since no case is registered, an NIA inquiry should be forthcoming to ensure who are these people who are behind bringing these people right from the Bangladesh border right inside Bangalore city. There are organized group of cartels and manpower recruiting agencies, traffickers, as well as those persons who are bringing them inside. Then secondly, who are those agencies inside the government of Karnataka as well as non-government officials, NGOs, etc., feeding, sheltering, harboring such kind of persons and getting them citizenship documents to ensure that they become a part of this place over there. So this kind of illegal, unauthorized intrusion inside Bangalore city has become extremely dangerous. The last point that I want to tell is that all this has come to light because of tower dump locations. People, when you collect tower dump locations, all these calls emanate from particular places and land up in Bangladesh. And there is a lot of money transfer taking place through Western Union from Bangalore city to various parts of Bangladesh.